Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change all your Wix text fonts in Wix Studio so you can maintain a consistent brand identity, enhance the readability of your professional tutorials, and achieve that perfect blue hour aesthetic across your entire site in 2026. Let's get into it. First, highlight an existing text element. The first step is selecting a piece of text directly on your canvas. In Wix Studio, highlighting an element allows the editor to recognize which text style, like Heading 1 or Paragraph 2, you are currently using, making it easier to target those specific fonts for a global change. Log into your Wix Studio editor. Navigate to any page and highlight a text box, for example, your main page title or a software tutorial description. Once the text is highlighted, you'll see its current style properties in the floating breadcrumbs or the inspector panel on the right. By selecting the text first, you can see exactly which category it belongs to before you head into the global settings to swap it out for a more professional Studio font. Next, access the Site Styles menu in the left sidebar. Now that you know which style you want to change, you need to open the Global Design Hub. This is where you control the DNA of your site's typography. Move your cursor to the left sidebar. Look for the icon that looks like an A with a small paintbrush. This is the Site Styles icon. Click it to open the panel. The sidebar will slide out, showing your site's primary colors and typography palettes. In 2026, Wix Studio is designed for global editing. Instead of changing 50 different text boxes manually on your PC, the Site Styles menu allows you to push a single update that fixes every page at once, ensuring no amateur quality fonts are left behind. Now, scroll down to the Fonts section. Within the Site Styles panel, you need to find the specific typography settings that govern your headings and paragraphs. In the Site Styles sidebar, scroll down until you see the section labeled Typography or Fonts. Click the Edit pencil icon next to your main typography palette to see the list of all active font styles. This is the moment where you swap out the old font for your new professional selection. Whether you're using a custom upload or a Google font, this change will reflect everywhere. Click the Font drop-down for your chosen style, select a new typeface, and adjust the weight or size. Once you are happy with the preview, look for the blue Update or Apply button at the bottom of the panel. Click Update to finalize the change. And that's pretty much it. To change all your fonts in 2026, highlight a text element on your page to identify its style, then go to Site Styles in the left sidebar. Scroll down to the Fonts section, edit your typography palette to select a new typeface, and click Update to finalize the change across your entire site. Finally, check your mobile view and hit Publish to take your new look live. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.